llorando. Vengo a decirte.
Welcome back, everybody. So we have to put up some insulation in the studio today or tomorrow. We went to Home Depot last night, night before last, and got just a few rolls here, filled up the trailer with it. Oh, that's not good. Anyway, so we got to unload the trailer, get all this insulation out so that they can take it to get fixed later today. So I guess we'll get started here.
That's not even half of all of it. We're gonna put some over here in these rooms. All of the drywall, 17,000 pounds of drywall in here. So we got all the insulation moved in here, here, back there, over there.
What's up, everybody? Today we're hanging some more insulation. It got all in our clothes last night, so we decided to get some suits and some masks and some gloves because it's really itchy. So we're gonna try to get that done today, and you can see this is the progress we made last night. Got all this done last night, so we just got to keep going.
We just finished doing the peak up there. It's a little harder because you had to cut angles going all the way up. It wasn't just putting straight pieces all the way up. Now we're going to just do all the walls, but the hardest part will be moving all the drywall. Got my hazmat bros in the... Don't know how to finish that.
I just wanted to give you an update on the house. We've been making a lot of progress. We got back from Vegas about a week and a half ago or so, and we've been working, me and Joseph and Victor, get all this stuff done. So first thing we did is we put up a bunch of insulation everywhere. We've also been putting up a lot of this shiplap up on like the ceilings, and it'll go on the walls some places. But let me show you. This is the pantry here. We got all this put up here. Alright, let me show you the laundry room here. We put up a bunch of insulation here in the laundry room to help with some soundproofing. Now, the common myth with insulation is that it just soundproofs everything, but really this insulation is to stop mid to higher frequencies that resonate between the wall cavity. So it's more for like speech privacy between walls, and here we're trying to use it to kind of dampen down the resonance that we're going to be getting from the washers and dryers on this wall. And so we'll have wall coverings on each side of this, so I think that'll kind of eliminate any kind of sound issue that we're going to have with this room. Alright, and then the very last room that we've done a lot of work on is the little boy's room, our little brother's demon, Theo. So we have got some OSB up on the walls here, and then there's going to be a layer of shiplap over that. As you can see, we've got the shiplap up there on their ceiling right here. So that's looking pretty good already. And then, of course, we got their closet all finished out. And then we got Victor and Joe in here working on a bathroom ceiling, putting up some shiplap here.
That's right, sir.
One of the things that I'm doing here while Joe is cutting and doing the ceiling and Victor's working on that really cool herringbone wall is I'm going to be running and putting in our whole internet and phone infrastructure in this house. This is basically, I'm going to be running a lot of this Cat 5e cable throughout the house to little boxes where you can have a wired internet connection. So this means a lot of climbing and running this cable over the joists. I talked to a guy from our service provider today, and he dropped off some of this fiber optic cable so that I can go ahead and get a good fiber optic infrastructure in the house so that when they bring it to our area this summer, we'll be able to just hook it up and be ready to go. Also, if you see me in this, wearing this hat around, it's not a fashion choice. It has lights on it. When I'm running these cables in the attic, this thing is great. So, get yourself a work hat light. Get yourself a work hat. Get yourself a work hat that's got lights in it. This is what I'm trying to say. Get yourself one of those. Power cap. Not sponsored. Go get yourself a power cap. The line is stuck, so I gotta go up and see what's snagging it.
Well, I've got my brother Dima here working for me today. I fired my other crew. They were just they're actually still sleeping right now. No one got them up. I'm gonna go get some coffee. He's gonna finish the job, so here we go. I'll see you in a couple.
I am going to put this board up and nail it to some wood right here, and I am going to build up to here when I'm matching to this part, and when I'm matching to this part, I'm going to go up, and my Victor is going to do that part, and we're going to go down there. You know, can you see please? That's kind of what I said.
Alright. There you go.
Yeah, it's level on this side.
Don't he move.
Thank you so much for watching the vlog. We've got a Vegas vlog coming for you soon. Stay tuned for that. Also, we're getting a lift next week. That'll be fun. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm just gonna take my door with me.